guys to understand that most of these solutions are pretty easy. All you have to do is align with the energy in the inside, and then the outside's going to shift. So it's like we all have that letting go thing, because I had just like had it the other day, and that's why I posted that I am activating the highest timeline in this lifetime right now, and I'm letting go of everything that doesn't serve that highest timeline. Because it's not only attracting what it is that you want, but you also have to create that space, right? That was the whole point in that, is that you have to create the space for the next, right? That's why one of the simple assignments that I give people, like maybe you don't know how to create the space like for the new stuff, but all you got to do is go clean out your closets, right? Create space by reducing your debt. Create space by not spending that time with that person that's annoying the shit out of you right now, right? That creates emotional space, right? Create the space of just hiding out in your house and not plugging into the world with all the cray-cray going on right now. Right? Like all of that is creating space. So wherever that space needs to be had for you, that's just take that time, because you've got to let things go to let the new come in. There's only so much your energy field can hold, and before you jammed up. And I have an incredible capacity. The one thing that has happened for the first time in my entire life is I found my capacity, and that when we've ignored our heart for that long, we don't even know what it feels like to listen to our heart. Mm-hmm. We really have no idea, because if we've ignored it for so long, right? Mm-hmm. Like I'm sitting here going, what do I want? Like, I'm like, And I'm just like, I'm not sure, but I'm staying open to knowing what that is. Like, I literally said to somebody the other day going, okay, well, I know the fighting part of me needs to completely die in this process. So I'm sorry for that. I've not held a safe space. I'm sorry, and all of a sudden it was just like everything shifted, just because I acknowledged that the fight in me has to die, and my heart needs to lead it, because it was something that just triggered me beyond belief. And we get there, so that created space in me, but it created everything to move instantaneously. Like it was instant with the other people involved. 30 seconds flat. It didn't take days or weeks on end for it to shift. Stay agnostic. Stay completely agnostic. You just have to hold the space, because remember, the heart space is the allowing and the acceptance, right? It's the love. That's the heart, right? So you have to accept everything that arises. That creates a lot of space. So anything that happens and it rises and it triggers you, just allow it and accept it. Just be like, oh, okay. Because then you're not plugging into it and lowering your vibration and jamming up your energy, right? Do you want to experience free coaching based on my 25 plus years as being a financial planner, and ask me any question that you want to ask me to help you get past that hurdle in your financial world? I run these free workshops every other month to start to open you up, to start to help you get to this next place. The information for my free workshop, click the link below and register, and I'll see you on the next workshop. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and like and subscribe to the channel. Why? Because then you can get more knowledge all the time and be a part of a community that's actually going to lift you up.